Yo, what's up guys, and welcome back to Franco's Auto Detailing. Today we will be unboxing the Mytee Pro Extractor. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so here we have it, the Mytee Spyder Extractor. Man, I'm excited. I have not used it yet due to all this rain that's been going on, but as soon as all that clears up, we'll put this bad boy to use. But for now, let's go ahead and see what it looks like inside. Alright, here we have the actual wand that comes with it. Now I did ask for the clear one. Yes sir. So the original Mytee Spyder Extractor normally comes with like a full metal piece where you won't be able to see the water actually going through and if it's clean or dirty. So I specifically requested this one. That way I can really see what's going on. Professional grade. Your boy done upgraded. Look at that. Oh man. Ready to use this bad boy. Alright, so there's that right there. I'm going to place that right there. So within the package, they send you a little bag as well that kind of shows you all the accessories that you're able to get along with that extractor. The Mytee accessories. Here we go. Here goes our actual hose that will be connecting to the actual extractor itself. Go ahead and set this down. I really don't know if I want to break this box down though, man. It's a pretty good box.
Here it is.
The Mytee Spyder Extractor. There we go. Gotta say that box, gonna break that down. Alright, so as you can see, it's rolling away from me, but good thing it has these stoppers on the bottom of it. Boom, put a stop to that. So if I'm on a hill or elevated surface, that's how I'll be able to eliminate that. Before I had the Aqua, which I was recently on a driveway that was elevated, and every time I have my extractor, it keep rolling away from me and I didn't have no way to stop it. So this one will be convenient to me. That way when I am on those elevated driveways, I can put these stoppers on the wheels and keep it from rolling down the hill. So I can already see that coming into play for me there. So as you can see, it has all 4 stoppers on all 4 wheels. I don't know if y'all can see the bottom, but there that is. And this right here is an actual 6-gallon. My Aqua, which I'll bring out here in just a second just so y'all can see what I was working with before. It was an actual 1.5 gallon. Aqua is a great start. It doesn't produce any hot water, which you don't always need hot water, but the hot water helps break down the dirt a lot easier and quicker. So that's one of the main reasons I actually invested in this machine right here, just to try to knock out my jobs more efficiently. Aqua still gets the job done. You just probably have to put in a little bit more work than you would with the actual Mytee Pro or the Mytee Spyder Extractor. So can't really say much on it right now. I haven't used it yet, but as I use it, I'll let y'all know further on that. I'm just hoping for the best. Gotta think positive, right? All right, so here we have our 3. Looks like, yeah. So we got 3 buttons right here. The first button has a vacuum label above it, I guess, to turn the vacuum on and off. And then you got a pump button, which is to turn the pump on and off. And then you actually have the heater button to actually turn on the heater to get the water nice and hot. The guy who pretty much distributed this product to me told me it normally takes about 5 to 7 minutes for the water to actually heat up. So got this little compartment right here. This looks like it's right here, we have another opening on the top. We're going to put on the stopper so we can roll it on. Alright, so got the starters on. Oh, here we go. But for now, just trying to show y'all a little intro of me opening it up. There we go. And if I turn it around, turn this around. Okay, so I guess when the water tank fills up, I'll just release this lever up, pull it up, and it pretty much opens the hole right here for all the dirty water to come out from them. Versus on the Aqua Pro vac, I'd have to actually take out the whole tank and dump it out on my own manually. This right here looks efficient as well. Looks like all I gotta do is pretty much open this lever right here, which opens the hole here, and then I guess all the dirty water will just come pouring out of the machine. So that's efficient as well. I don't have to worry about taking out a tank or anything like that. Let me see if I can get it set up real quick. So there that is, your Mytee Pro, or your Mytee Spyder extractor is what they call it. Let's see. I might have to actually look into this. Close up of that. Call them cuties. You put it right around the female fitting, I believe. Male fitting, one of those. There you go. Alright, I don't know what this is for. I'll figure that out later down the road. This as well, looks like it comes on this end right here. Another piece. So it actually comes with the piglet filter. Catches loose debris to prevent damage to vacuum motor. So probably gonna have to put this filter in somewhere in here. I have to find these instructions. And then we have this. I'm not too sure where this goes. I'm gonna have to figure this one out too. For the most part, I'm excited. I'm ready to go, ready to start now. First one to comment below gets a free upholstery, seats, and carpet cleaning only. So I'm not gonna be doing no panels, nothing else. I'm not gonna be going into detail. This is only to do my first run for free. So whoever comments down below, you might need it, you might not. I'll give you a free shampooing of your seats and carpet. Alright, first one to comment below. There you go, thank you for watching. But again, thank y'all for watching, stay tuned. Before I go though, let me show y'all that Aqua Pro vac. So this is what I was working with before. This is my Aqua Pro vac, it's an extractor as well. See the difference between the two? This one's a lot bigger obviously. This one right here, it's real small, but it's efficient. Gets the job done. Like I said, for any of my starters, this will be a good go-to. I'm actually considering selling this one. They normally retail for around $500 for the Aqua Pro vac. I'm looking to sell it, so if you're interested, hit me up, comment below, message me. We can work something out. This is the actual hose that comes with it. I have it hanging right here. This is the hose that comes with that. Like I said, that's my Aqua Pro vac. It's a 1.5 gallon. You can do a whole interior with that, but if the interior is completely trash, you'll probably be looking at dumping out that 1.5 once you're done and fill it up, and then go at it again 2 times. So, like I said, this is my Aqua Pro vac. It's the hose that comes with it. Got your nozzle. You can see actually what you're sucking in. It's a great vacuum, man. I'd recommend it. That's pretty much all I have today. Once again, thank y'all for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. If you like the content, please drop a like and subscribe for more upcoming videos.